How to insert a PDF file into a Word document. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you simply need to launch a Word document and place the cursor where you want to add the PDF to appear. And now click on the Insert tab in the top menu. In the text group, you simply need to click on the object icon. Click on it and here you get the two options, object or text from file. So let's click on object option. Here click on create from file option and select browse button. Now select the PDF file you want to insert. So let me choose, and now you simply need to click on insert button. And once you have done that, you can easily click on OK button. Before that, you can check mark link to file or simply display as icon. And now let's click on OK button. As you can see that we have added the PDF into Word document. So you can resize and move it around. Click on the icon to open the PDF. So you can simply click on open and open this file. Now you can resize it and adjust it any way you'd like to. So the second step is simply you can go ahead and click on insert again and select the object icon from the text box. And now you can easily choose text from file if you wish to insert the PDF content as text. Now let me choose the same PDF and click on the insert option. And then a pop-up menu will appear where it will ask the content of the PDF will now appear in your Word document. So click on OK button, and as you can see that it has already been appeared to your Word document. So these were the two methods to insert PDF on your Word document. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.